Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to solve problems dealing with tangent for right triangles. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel after watching this video, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Now, let's get started. Tangent's ratio is opposite over adjacent. Note that we're only talking about right triangles. So we know that tangent's ratio is opposite over adjacent. If you really want to remember that, let's look at the top right part of the screen where it says SOHCAHTOA. SO is for sine, CA is for cosine, and TOA is for tangent. Since we're talking about tangent, let's look at TOA. T stands for tangent, O stands for opposite, and A stands for adjacent. This can help you remember that tangent's ratio is opposite over adjacent. Now let's look at the right triangle on the right side of the screen. There is a leg that is 4 units long, there is another leg that is 3 units long, and there is a hypotenuse that is 5 units long. There is also an angle marked with theta. The symbol of theta represents the measure of the angle. Now let's find the tangent of theta. Remember, tangent's ratio is opposite over adjacent. So what is opposite of theta? Opposite of theta is a leg that is 4 units long, and adjacent to theta is a leg that is 3 units long. So the tangent of theta is 4 over 3. We have figured out that the tangent of theta is 4 over 3, because opposite of theta is 4, and adjacent to theta is 3, so the tangent of theta is 4 over 3. Now let's move on to the next problem. Let's look at the right triangle on the right side of the screen. There is a leg that is 2 times the square root of 3 units long. There is a leg that is marked with a question mark, and the hypotenuse is unlabeled. There is also an angle marked with 60 degrees. So what's the problem? Let's find the length of the leg marked with the question mark. How are we going to do that? Well, we know that the ratio for tangent is opposite over adjacent. So the tangent of 60 is 2 times the square root of 3 over the question mark, because opposite of 60 degrees is 2 times the square root of 3, and adjacent to 60 degrees is the question mark. So the tangent of 60 degrees is 2 times the square root of 3 over question mark. So this is what we have so far. We have the tangent of 60 equals 2 times the square root of 3 over the question mark. Remember, we're trying to find the value of that question mark. We're trying to find the length of the leg represented with the question mark. So how are we going to do that? Well, we can rearrange this. We can rearrange the tangent of 60 degrees equals 2 times the square root of 3 over the question mark, and we can turn it into this. Now we have 2 times the square root of 3 over the tangent of 60 equals the question mark. If we calculate 2 times the square root of 3 over the tangent of 60, we will get the length of the leg represented by the question mark. If you're calculating this, remember your calculator should be in the degree mode. So what is 2 times the square root of 3 over the tangent of 60? 2 times the square root of 3 over the tangent of 60 is 2. So the length of the leg represented with the question mark is 2 units long. We figured out that the length of the leg that was represented by the question mark is 2 units long. I hope you understood how we solved these problems. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Please support us as we create and provide educational videos, so please hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please hit that follow button. Check out more of our videos on YouTube and on our Facebook page. Also stay tuned for more videos.